What's up, everybody? It's Fat Cracker. You know what time it is. It's time to get cooking. I got a request for this recipe today. I made it a while back. My niece fell in love with it. She was over a couple days ago and asked me to make it again. So today we're going to be doing bacon cheeseburger soup. We're going to get everything together. We're going to get to cooking. Y'all stay tuned. All right, everybody. We'll get this started. We're going to start. I took 2 pounds of bacon, cut them in half. We're going to fry up the bacon. Start putting our halves in. Pot's starting to get hot, so I'm going to go ahead and get that in there. We want to fry that in the pot because we want to add a little bit of that bacon grease and drippings to the pan too, to the pot, to the soup. Not all the bacon grease, we will drain some. So we'll get our bacon fried up. And from there, we'll get to cooking everything else. We'll be back. All right, we're finishing up our last little bit of bacon. Fried it to a crisp. We're going to add these are the last 3 pieces covered out. We'll get this out, let it sit there. Oh, got one getting away. We'll set this to the side for later. We'll move y'all back over the pot here. We've already ladled out our bacon grease. We're going to turn our heat down. And what we're going to add next is our ground beef. Got a little bit of bacon grease and those bacon drippings in there. We'll get this ground beef in here and get it going. Excuse the noise. 3 pounds of ground beef. Not put the whole package in there. To our meat, we're going to add some garlic powder. Get that mixture out in there pretty good. We're going to add some onion powder. And like I said, I don't have measurements. I do it all by feel. We're going to add some pepper. Of course, we all know my favorite. Get it going through there. And then we're going to add a little bit of salt. Get that in there. We'll mix that up while it's browning. And then we'll continue browning this up and we'll move on to the next step. All right, we got our meat browned up. We're going to mix it around a little bit, push everything to one side, and we're going to use the old paper towel trick to get some of that oil fat off that hamburger we put out. So we'll take that like that, take our old paper towel, stick it in there, flip it over, soak that grease up, throw it right in the pan, in the garbage I mean. Take another one, set it in there. Pull that out. We're going to keep our meat, so we'll shake it. Right in the garbage with that one. It's going to take a couple. And one more. We're going to have a little bit left, but we got stuff for that. There's a reason. I got the majority of that off. So now what we're going to do is I got 5 medium russet Idaho potatoes, diced up and peeled. We're going to add that to it, mix it around. Let them fry up a little bit. Because what's a cheeseburger without fries, right? Get them mixed there real good. Let them cook a little bit. We'll just mix it around a little bit, get it in there. All right. Now what we're going to do, we just want to put it quick because they're going to boil. We're going to add beef broth. Like I said, it's a soup, so we want to add quite a bit. So that's 32 ounces there. Yes, we got the fat in it still, but that adds flavor. And then one more 32 ounce of beef broth. Of course, that one didn't bust like it should. Have to help it. Get that in there. That damn thing. All right. This might feel a little bit better now. All right. So 64 ounces of beef broth. And what we'll do is we'll mix this up again and we'll let it come to a boil. And once it boils for a little bit, we'll come back to it, add the rest of our ingredients. All right, everybody, our potatoes are tender. So we'll add our 2 pounds of bacon. We chopped it up. Mix it in. We got the heat turned down for right now. Might bump it back up a little bit. So turn that back up a little bit. Sorry about my arm. And then what we're going to do, we're going to add some heavy whipping cream. Thicken it up a little bit. All right, we'll mix that around. And we'll let that cook a little bit with the bacon and heavy whipping cream. And then we'll be back and add the rest. All right, we got our heavy whipping cream. We cooked it for a little bit of thickness. So now we're going to do what we do to make a cheeseburger. We'll add 1 cup of ketchup. Get that all in there. One cup of mustard. One cup of pickle juice. And we got 1 block of Velveeta sharp cheddar cheese. We're going to add that to it and stir that around. That's going to thicken it up even more, give it the cheesy flavor. Mix all that around. Looks good. Let that cook, let that cheese melt. We'll probably add some shredded cheese to it. I think we'll go ahead and do that now. All right. 1 8-ounce package of sharp cheddar cheese. Get that in there. Then we got another one we'll use for a garnish. We'll let this cook. And we'll see. Come back and show you how it turns out. All right, everybody. Got us a bowl of soup here. We're going to garnish it up. So I know I added pickle juice to it, but what's a cheeseburger without pickles? So we're going to throw some pickles on there. And then we're going to take some of our bacon that we diced up, make crumbles out of, sprinkle it on there. And then a little bit of cheddar cheese on top. And there you have it. Cheeseburger, bacon cheeseburger soup. We'll give it a taste real quick. Mix everything in. Get a pickle on there. Give it a taste. Oh yeah. Tastes just like a cheeseburger. There you have it, guys. Remember, if you ain't trying, you ain't making it, bud. This is another good meal by Fat Cracker. Y'all have a good one.